Module 6, Lesson 4, Increasing and Decreasing Functions. In Module 6, you're going to try to do some matching of some functions. They'll give you a story and they'll give you a story and they'll give you a graph and you'll try to match. They'll also give you a graph that has different parts where it's going at a positive slope, a negative slope, a zero slope, and they'll ask you to identify what might be happening in those parts. Biggest things you need to know from this lesson is if the slope is positive, that means you have an increasing function. That means that both variables are increasing or both variables would be decreasing if they were in a table. Okay, they're both doing the same thing. If one goes up, the other goes up. If one goes down, the other goes down. A negative slope means you have a decreasing function, which is going downhill from left to right on a graph. But it also means that if one of the variables increases, the other one decreases, and vice versa. So if one decreases, the opposite one increases. They do the opposite to each other. And then a zero function, a zero slope rather, is the same as a constant function. And that just means it's staying the same. Okay, whatever your first variable is doing, it doesn't matter because the second variable is staying the same amount throughout.